In this video, I will show you how to change a language in CS2. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is actually open up Steam on your device. And once you've gone ahead and open up Steam, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you're going to want to click onto Library to come across to your game library. Now from here, what you're going to do is come over to the left hand side and you can see we got Counter-Strike 2 in our game library list. And all you need to do is right click onto Counter-Strike 2, come down and click onto Properties. And what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now, if you're not already, what you're going to want to do from here is come to the left hand side to this menu and click onto General. Now from the General screen you're going to see an option for language, and from here what you can do is click onto the drop down box and you can go ahead and choose the language from the available languages for CS2. So for example, if I wanted to change this to German, I would click onto German. There's no save button or anything like that. All you need to do is simply change your language from here, close this down, and when you next go ahead and start Counter-Strike 2, that would have changed your language. So that's how to go ahead and change your language in CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.